Let me show you how seamless the lead management process is with AIQoD360. Here, it is simple to add the lead. First step is to add the company name, add the social source, and add the date captured. Then it is pretty simple to assign the lead to the right business development representative. And if you have an understanding of the products they're interested in, you can select it from the drop-down menu. Ideally, the nurturing cycle is 1 month, so you can select the right nurturing cycle for you. And also, you can also guess what is going to be the interest level. As per the interest level, you can give the lead score. Now, the next step is to send them an email. So the system, while we are entering the lead, will also generate an email. Next step is to add the contact details of this company. So I am in touch with the contact person and I can easily write the details of this person. After this, I will be calling. The next follow-up will be on 31st. So I can just write the notes on the last contact and the notes on the next contact. While I was working on inserting the lead, it was easy to also find the email. So system is smart enough and with its Gen AI capability has used the products and other details to create a tailored email which is personalized for the person. Once you click on proceed, the lead will be added. All the leads will be piled up here in my tasks section. You can see the leads available. So leads will be visible here. You can just come back to this page to see the details. The next step is to qualify the lead. So you can change the lead status from MQL to SQL to opportunity and finally to win and lost. Keep updating them and hit on the save button.